If you have Iqoo Z10 Lite smartphone and you want to set fingerprint lock in the smartphone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Select device unlocking and then select fingerprint. Now firstly you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part, otherwise select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern, draw your pattern, click on next and then confirm your pattern. After this it will ask you how you want to show your notification on your lock screen. I'm selecting never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment. Click on agree and then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this. Keep on tapping on the sensor until it completely captures your fingerprint. You have to adjust the edges so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. After this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint like this.